1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. These are problems we learn to solve in kindergarten. But then, you learn things that are a little harder, like 3 times 3 is 9, or 4 times 6 is 24. The answers to these problems are sure. No decimals or unknowns. Whole. When you get to algebra, there's formula, replace, solve. Formula. My formula goes something like this. Family drama plus nervous breakdowns plus nightmares that torment me over and over and over equals X. Replace, solve. Replace. How do you replace into these values? Well, family drama simplifies to heartache, nervous breakdown simplified to pain, the nightmares that flood my brain every night until finally they come to haunt me during the day simplify to tears. Solve. Heartache plus pain plus tears equals misery. So my equation is completed, and yet I don't feel complete, because how can one believe that their whole reason to live is misery? One cannot, because then they will feel like a can of ginger ale that someone neglected to put in the recycling, so instead they threw it on the road, and now a car full of perfectly happy people has just rolled over it and over and over again and again until finally it is nothing but a flat piece of metal that no one has a use for. I hate math. It's as though the universe created a world full of charming, chipper people, but by some error in the equation, many people were left out of that state of euphoria. I am an error. There are probably many other errors in this room right now who think that they are lone wolves, whom no one can identify with. All this because of some mistake. When I think of the equation, my body becomes separated from my thoughts, who are navigating the balls of gas we like to call stars to make them sound like something they're not. The stars that form constellations, Orion, Cassiopeia, Andromeda, Ursa Major, Ursa Minor. I am a minor part of this world. Open bracket. Kindness plus dreams plus joy plus love to the exponent 10 close bracket times 0 equals 0. Nothing. Nothing left to give, because why should I have to give anything to the universe when it has taken so much from me? Did I mention that I hate math?